But your bandwidth is a lot better.
A lot better.
How low do you play down to now? What? 23 and 24 hertz?
22.
22?
When you came up, I was playing 22.
Nice. So you went from a flat wall tuned high to a big fourth order.
Sixth order.
Sorry, sixth order. Yeah, with the you have
Ports are
what?
in the back.
You got two 6-inch ports in the back.
8 inch.
Oh, 8s. Oh wow.
There's 8 inches, and right now they're at 12 inches. I need to drop them back to 11 1/4.
Okay.
And 71 cubes net.
Yep.
24 on the this side. And designed by Robert Moon. Installed by me and Aaron Boatwright.
Wow. Are you more happy with this than a flat wall?
Much happier.
Much happier.
Much happier.
Yep.
Yes, and the amps are wired down to 0.35 on Terra amps.
Really?
Yeah, we went from 0.5 to 0.35. So.
You roll into it and know your limit.
I don't burp it anymore.
Yeah.
Like I said, the last build did get to 165.2.
Wow. Nice.
And that was wired at half ohm each. So. Yeah.
Nice.
We changed it up, but our voltage is too high right now.
Okay.
The mids amp will protect at 15.5 on the Terra amps 2004.
Wow. So what is trying to think. The subs are still breaking in, aren't they?
This is a brand new one, yes. And he's only had 2 hours on them.
Okay, so yeah.
So everything's still breaking in.
Yep.
No adjustments.
No meter yet?
No meter yet.
Okay. But your bandwidth is a lot better.
A lot better.
How low do you play down to now? What? 23, 24 hertz?
22.
22?
When you came up, I was playing 22.
Nice. Wow.
I've got a couple frequencies I've tried where they're a little different. I think I've got down to 19.
Oh, wow.
But 22, we'll do Sugar Boom Boom here on that.
Okay.
I will have to shut it off to reset the mids.
That's all right.
Yeah, we're going to be going to some Crossfire amps soon. I'm still running off of 370s.
Yep.
The battery bank, everything's the same. All we do is change the enclosure and a new head unit. What's going on?
What's up, man? What you done to it now?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Your pride that you too competitive is getting filling. You chilling in the covenant like rinses in the bedding and it's killing you. Anywho, I'll be in the kitty pool with liquor and some hoes. These other rappers are minuscule. Anybody that's coming at me can get it too. Take it too far and end up kissing my tennis shoe. man. One day. down and you're prejudice is selling your pride that you too repetitive and scared of failing. You chilling in the covenant like witches in the bedding and it's killing you. Anywho, I begin to kiddie poop with liquor and some hoes. These other rappers are minuscule. Anybody that's coming up they can get it too. Take it too far and end up kissing my tennis shoe. Down and you're prejudice is selling your pride that you too repetitive and scared of failing. You chilling in the covenant like witches in the bedding and it's killing you. Anywho, I begin to kiddie poop with liquor and some hoes. These other rappers are minuscule. Anybody that's coming up they can get it too. Take it too far and end up kissing my tennis shoe.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.